Hi everyone, today's video is going to be my Birchbox unboxing for March of 2018. If you don't know, Birchbox is $10 a month, and my brother actually gave it to me for Christmas, or maybe it was my birthday. They're right beside each other, I can never remember. He gave me like a 3-month subscription, so this is the last box in that subscription. So here is the box itself. These are great for gifts, and this one's really pretty. It's kind of like floral. I like it. And the theme for this month is finally spring. So it's just talking about different like spring things, and so the items in the box are supposed to help you like prepare for spring, I guess. So I got 5 items this month, which is typical. You usually get about 5 items, and let's talk about them. So first I got this Marcelle Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. So a little sample size mascara. I'll be honest, I did not use this today. I forgot I was using another one, so I don't know about this, but it's still sealed and I'll use it at some point for sure. Then I got the other makeup item, because I, in general, prefer makeup over anything else. This Peak Beauty Nom Nom Natural Plumping Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Jack. And it's actually what I have on my lips today. It is quite pigmented. It's really soft. So you can see, like, I've already made, like, not a dip, but you can see where I've been using it. It's kind of cinnamony, but I don't feel like it's plumping my lips that much. But it's nice and it's easy to use and it's a pretty color. So this was pretty cool. I was afraid it was going to be like transparent, and I was not about that. Then I have a perfume. This is the Clean Original Fragrance. And it smells very soapy. I'm not a huge fan of this scent. I like some of the other. I think it's like the Clean Laundry. And maybe they have like a Clean Ocean or Water or something. I like that one too. But I don't like this one. Then I got the MAC Cleanse Off Oil. This is a really tiny sample, if we're being honest, but I'm excited to try it. I am all about cleanse off oils and like the balms and stuff, and I've heard really good things about this MAC one, and this is the first time I've ever gotten a MAC item in a Birchbox, and obviously MAC is a brand that I know pretty well, so it's cool to get something with a little bit more brand recognition. So that's cool. Even though it's tiny, I'll probably only get like, 3 or 4 uses out of it. And the last thing I got is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. So this is supposed to give you volume. So let's see what it does. The Amika products usually smell really nice. If you kind of tease it, yeah. I think they gave me some volume. I always like volume. I don't, well, a little bit, not a ton. I don't really like blow dry my hair, so a lot of times to activate this you have to have it heat activated, but I don't blow dry my hair, so I don't know. This box was definitely underwhelming for me, and that's kind of how Birchbox I feel like is in general. If you are looking for a subscription box, I've done a best and worst subscription box playlist, or subscription boxes, and I'll link that below. But honestly, I really love the Sephora Play box. I think that's a good deal. And if you want something that's a little more expensive, but you get full-size items every month, BoxyCharm is also really great. I feel like Birchbox, it was one of the originals, but it's just kind of fallen down and down and down. So I'm not going to kind of, what do you call it? Like renew the subscription. I had it for a while. I lost it. My brother got it for me for 3 months. I'm not tempted to keep it going. I forgot to price these items. I'll definitely do that. It'll be in the description box. Usually the value of the box is around $20. So yeah, I'm really underwhelmed. I'm not excited about it, but I hope it was interesting for you, and I hope you did enjoy it at least. And yeah, as always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Talking all is one of my favorite things, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.